Hello and welcome to the Travel Tips channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, the Grand Canyon. In this video, we'll explore the history, geology, and beauty of this magnificent place. The Grand Canyon is located in the state of Arizona in the United States. It is 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. It was carved out by the Colorado River over millions of years and is a testament to the power of erosion. The Colorado River is the lifeline of the Grand Canyon. It starts in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado and flows through 7 U.S. states before reaching the Gulf of California in Mexico. The river is a crucial source of water and nutrients for the plants and animals that call the Grand Canyon home. The river is over 1,450 miles long and has an average width of 300 feet. There's a legend about the Grand Canyon that says it was created by the tears of a Native American goddess who wept for her lost love. While it's just a myth, it adds to the mystique and magic of the canyon. The rocks in the Grand Canyon are between 200 million and 2 billion years old. That means that the Grand Canyon has been around longer than many of the species that live there. Speaking of plants and animals, the Grand Canyon is home to a diverse array of species. From bighorn sheep to peregrine falcons, and from cacti to wildflowers, there's always something new to discover. Did you know that the Grand Canyon is not the deepest canyon in the world? It's actually the second deepest, after the Yarlung Tsangpa Grand Canyon in Tibet. The Grand Canyon looks different at different times of the day. The colors of the canyon walls change depending on the position of the sun, which means that every visit to the Grand Canyon can be a unique experience. The Grand Canyon National Park receives over 6 million visitors annually, making it one of the most visited national parks in the United States. People come every year to hike, camp, and experience the stunning views. However, it's important to remember that the Grand Canyon is a fragile ecosystem, and we must do our part to protect it. The Grand Canyon Skywalk is a popular tourist attraction that extends 70 feet from the edge of the canyon. It's made of glass and steel and can hold the weight of 71 fully loaded 747 airplanes. In 2019, a 70-year-old woman set a record for being the oldest person to hike from the south rim to the north rim of the Grand Canyon and back in a single day. She completed the hike in just over 21 hours, proving that age is just a number. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a first-time visitor, there's no denying the magic of the Grand Canyon. Watching the sunset over the canyon walls is an unforgettable experience that will stay with you for a lifetime. We hope you've enjoyed learning more about this incredible natural wonder. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Travel Tips channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.